A U.S. federal appeals court has ruled that former President Donald Trump does not have immunity from charges that he plotted to overturn his 2020 election defeat. Mr. Trump is likely to appeal the ruling. Jeong Eun-joo tells us more about this ruling that came ahead of the November election.
A federal appeals court ruled on Tuesday that former U.S. President Donald Trump is not immune from prosecution for alleged crimes committed during his presidency. A three-judge panel of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit rejected Mr. Trump's claim that he cannot be prosecuted because the allegations relate to his official responsibilities as president. The unanimous panel wrote in a 57-page opinion that it could not accept that former presidents are above the law for all the time thereafter. The court concluded that any executive immunity no longer protects him against this prosecution. The ruling, which Mr. Trump vowed to appeal, rebuffs his attempt to avoid a trial on charges that he undermined American democracy and the transfer of power, even as he consolidates his position as the frontrunner for the Republican presidential nomination. Mr. Trump has until Monday to ask the Supreme Court to temporarily block the ruling to delay his case again from heading to trial. A Trump campaign spokesperson said that although there would be an appeal, did not specify whether the full D.C. Circuit Court would be asked to review the ruling or go to the U.S. Supreme Court directly. A spokesperson for Special Counsel Jack Smith, who is leading the prosecution, declined to comment. Donald Trump has made no secret that his overarching legal strategy is to seek delays, because if he were to win the 2024 presidential election in November and the trial had not yet started or had not been completed, he could appoint a loyalist as the attorney general who would drop the charges against him. Jeong Eun-joo, Arirang News.